one great product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a vinyl record player from Sing Store, and I received it for the evaluation purposes, and this is my personal opinion. This vinyl record player is so nicely designed, very beautiful wood vintage appearance. It features dual speakers that provide this high quality sound, and it's pretty loud.
Screaming from the gallery, say he must go.
And it's very simple to install. All you have to do is basically to connect speakers with the record player. It also features dust cover that will protect your vinyls from dust and debris. Besides that, it's designed with the counterweight, which ensures smooth movement of the stylus. It's designed with two operating knobs that are super simple to use. This record player is also designed with the built-in Bluetooth, so it allows you to listen to your records via your smartphone, computer, or any other device. Record player from Sing Store is a great choice. Quality is wonderful, very simple to use. Definitely a great addition to any home, and definitely going to be a great gift idea for any music lover. I like this product very much and I would highly recommend it to you.